have Hi everybody, and welcome to this little side episode of the Karen Knits podcast. And this is my May 2026 self-imposed sock club yarn drawing. I guess yarn drawing, is that the right name? Anyway, I am going to choose the skein of yarn that I want to use for my May socks. Still working on my April socks, but we're going to get this filmed and get the next batch or the next yarn all ready. So let's try that one. Okay, what do we have? Oop, Christmassy. Well, I guess, yeah, Christmassy. This is from Nanette. Excuse me, I got a hairball. This is from Nanette Wake Studio. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. It is 8515. 50 gram skein of yarn, and it's called Saddlebag. So this is a little heavier, thicker yarn, a little plumper. Oh, I'm excited to get this started. I will be using the bare yarn for the heels, toes, and part of the cuff. Even though that's a 75-25, but I'll make it work. So, Nanette Wake Studio, Saddlebag. I'm excited. I got to get going on get those April socks done so I can start the May socks. Oh, this is pretty. I shall get that caked up and hopefully I'll get it cast on in the next week, a little more than a week. Alrighty, I'll see you again very soon. Bye.